Hey all, my name is Nurit and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this dress which I love and I bought last winter, I think, or fall, because it has long sleeves, but I didn't wear it since it's a bit shorter than I used to. It's about 8 centimeters shorter than what I'm used to go with. So I didn't wear it and now I'm going to make it longer, but I don't want to add at the bottom like I usually do because you can see that someone attached it afterwards and everything. I want to make it as a belt in the middle of the dress and make it cohesive so it looks like you bought it like that from the shop. So I'll show you first how it looks like right now. It's a bit short. Let me show you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing now.
So I'm going to take it off and we'll start. I'm going to continue with making dresses longer. So I have this dress that I have on, I'll show you in a minute. And I have scrap fabric that is this one, but I'm going to use the other side because it fits the dress better.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
And I'm going to make a belt to make it longer. And I'll show you the dress now.
Step by step, the clock.
Let's get to work.
Sticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now I'm going to pull it down, not up to the upper side of the dress, but down to the belt. And then I'm going to stitch here in order to hold it in place. And I'm going to use a decorative stitch just because I've never done that and it looks like a lot of fun and it will connect the grey with the black, so I think it will work. And wish me luck. On the bottom I will pull it up towards the belt. Okay. So it starts in the bottom. I'm going to use stitch number 39. This one looks like a hive and I really like it. I already have a bee foot as suggested.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are.
So I tried this dress on and I marked on the waist exactly where I want to cut it in order to insert the addition belt, so we can make this dress a bit longer.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to.
So that's it, I'm done. It was really fast and simple solution. I'm going to wear these dresses a lot and enjoy them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you next week. Bye.